Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmistha and this is English with Sharmistha. In today's video, I am going to talk about something very important in English language. And from the start of it, I am telling you that this is going to be about grammar, that is the English language. You must be knowing that there are three types of sentences: the simple sentences, the complex sentences, and the compound sentences. Whatever I am going to say today, all my sentences are going to be complex sentences. First, listen carefully what I want to say. Last month, I went to a place that is a village. The most important reason was that I wanted to see its natural beauty. But along with it, I saw that there was a lot of poverty in that place. This made me feel that we are so lucky. We are lucky that we have everything that we need. We have a lot of things that help us to fulfill our dreams. I felt that we have so much. I also felt that these people have so little. I felt that I should share my luck with these people. I decided that I would go there again. And I would take the clothes that I do not use anymore. I thought that I will help these poor people. I planned that I would buy some food for them. I also thought that I would distribute some books, some notebooks, some pencils and erasers. I met some villagers whom I saw there. I told them that I would go there again. I visited the village again the following week to do the work that I had planned to do. That is to distribute among them some study materials, clothes, and food that I had collected from my neighbors. I distributed the things that I had taken there. I did the minimum that I could do. I saw that the villagers were extremely happy. It touched me to see that they were so happy after getting such little things. I understood that happiness is something that I could learn from them. So, this was all about the visit to the village that I wanted to say today, and my description of the visit consists of all complex sentences. I had already told this in the beginning of the video. This was a demonstration how complex sentences are used in your real life. So when you say a simple sentence, there's only one simple thing to say, one subject and one predicate. An example of a simple sentence is, I went to the village to see its natural beauty. The same thing can be expressed in a complex sentence by saying, my reason for visiting the village was that I wanted to see its natural beauty. So the sentence is divided into two parts: my reason to visit the village and I wanted to see its natural beauty. So these two parts are two clauses. One clause is depending on the other, and both the clauses have their own subject and predicate. So, if you carefully listen to my description of the visit to the village, you will understand all my sentences can be divided into two or three parts. These parts are clauses. These parts have their own subjects and predicates. In the English language, you must know the simple sentence, complex sentence, and the compound sentence. Further, in your exercise, you will understand that you also must know how to transform the sentence from simple to complex, from complex to compound, and vice versa. So this video was all about complex sentences, how they are said, how it is used in real life, and I hope you have understood a lot of it. And I know there is more to know and understand. But this much is enough for one day. If you found my video useful, do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do keep reading, keep listening, and keep practicing English every day. And do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.